Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how to fix this issue that you're not able to add your phone number inside your Steam account. Now step 1 is just open the Steam application inside your laptop or PC, and once you have opened it, make sure that you're logged in with your account as well. And after that, once you are at the store or home interface of the Steam, so just click on this help section, the last one, and just click on Steam support. And once you click here, it will start loading in front of you like this one. So just scroll down and you just need to go into this section called my account. And once you go inside my account, so just scroll down and you will see this option called phone number. Just click on it, and once you click here, like inside this section, you can try to add your phone number. And let's say if you're still not able to do it, so just click on cancel. Let me just go back, and inside this section you just click on Steam Guard Mobile Authenticator, and after that just scroll down and just click on this option, my issue isn't listed. Just click on this one, and inside this section you just need to write down all the details that you try to add your number but you're not able to add your phone number. This is the phone number, can you help me fix that issue? And you can also attach a screenshot if you want to, and just click on send, and you will be contacted by the Steam support team within few days, or you can say 2 to 3 working days, and they will be able to help you and add your phone number inside the Steam.